Hey, so today, let's talk about something super basic, but super important in Forex trading, PIPs. I know it sounds weird, but don't worry, I'll explain it in the simplest way possible. A PIP stands for percentage in point, or price interest point. It's just a tiny unit of movement in a currency pair, usually the fourth decimal place. So if EUR/USD moves from 1.1000 to 1.1001, that's a 1 pip move. Simple, right? Pips are how traders measure profit and loss. If you bought a pair and it goes up by 50 pips, congrats, you're in profit, as long as you calculated it right. And if it drops by 30 pips, well, that's a loss. Great question. It depends on your lot size. In a standard lot, 1 pip equals $10. In a mini lot, 1 pip equals $1. In a micro lot, 1 pip equals $0.75, 0.1. So yeah, tiny changes can mean real money. That's the power of pips. So next time you hear someone say, I made 40 pips today, you'll know they're talking about how much the price moved.